How to make money at home? So, number one, become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative services to clients from a remote location, such as a home office. And number two is paid sitting. Number three is sell your own items online. And number four is tutor students online. And number five is start a blog. And number six, sell services online. And number seven is create sales funnels. And last, sell consulting services. So in this way you can earn money at home. Thank you.